Welcome to our channel. Subscribe and get new update video. How to control EV robot car using mobile. Following our feature of robot. First feature headlight. Touch the car front icon to turn on or off light. Second feature backlight. Touch car backside icon to turn on or off light. Third feature horn. Touch speaker icon to turn on or off. Fourth feature speed control. Slide the bar low to high to adjust speed. Following our controlling button of robot. This is forward direction button, press and hold robot move forward. This is reverse direction button, press and hold robot move reverse. This is left direction button, press and hold robot move left side. This is right direction button, press and hold robot move right side. This is wireless robot connected through Bluetooth technology. In this robot we use ESP32 board for controlling motors and connect with mobile. A rechargeable battery is a type of electrical battery which can be charged, discharged into a load, and recharged many times. In this robot charging facility available, we 12-volt and 1-amp power supply to charge robot battery. Benefits of robot making. Improve your robotics skill. Improve your programming skill. Learn how to rotate DC motor using programming. You can study 12 programming on this robot. This is wireless robot control by mobile phone. After the application install, open application. Go to setting icon and then click on connect to car, find the ESP32 name. Then click on ESP32 name. If the red signal is green, then your robot is connected now. You can operate your robot using this remote button, as shown in video. Explore the new function, movement-based operated robot, using accelerometer function. Go to setting icon and then click on accelerometer. And robot control on mobile movement, as shown in video. Following our study materials sent to your mail. 1 manual, how to connect the ESP32 board to Arduino IDE. 2 programming manual, 12 programming. 3 Android application, for video link. Now robot is ready, play with your robot. How to make robot. Following are the material used to make robot. 1 bow motor with connector 4, 2 bow motor wheel 4, 3 rechargeable battery 3.7 volt 2, 4 cable tie 8, 5 power supply 12V, 1 amp 1, 6 robot PCB with component assemble 1. Build your EV robot car. This is promotional video of robot. Full robot making video available on our channel. We deliver good and productive video for you. All video available in 3 language: English, Hindi and Marathi. Please subscribe and get video on every Sunday. Thank you and visit to our channel.